Namaste everyone. In this video, let us solve a simple problem related to dates. You can see there are some dates present here and I want to check their respective quarters in this particular cell with the help of this formula which I have written here. It will ask me two arguments. Let me explain this formula clearly step by step. Okay, so let me reach this formula by tab. It will ask me two arguments. One is number and other is significance. So first of all, let me show you. If I enter 1 here and I enter 5 here, okay, it will give me answer 5. That means it is going to pick up only the highest, the significant value starting from 1 to 5. That means if I put here 2, it will give me answer 5. If I put 3, it will give me answer 5. If I put 4, it will give me answer 5, like that. If I keep on putting any kind of number here on the first argument, it will provide me only the significant number which is present here. Now let me press enter. You can see the answer 5. Okay. So let us experiment with 3. So you can see it will round off every number which is less than 5. So it will round off every number up to 5 only, which is the significant number here. But guys, what if I could use here number 6, which is greater than 5? Then you can see we get an expected answer, which would be a number which is significant and the multiple of 5, next multiple of 5, which is 10. Now you can see answer 10. Similarly, you can practice with any sort of the values, whatever you want. Let me practice it with 4 and 8. You know it is going to provide me answer 8 only. Now, again, let me put here another number. Let us use now 17. You can see it is going to provide me answer more than 16, which is the third multiple of 8, which is 24. Now, okay, here you go. You can see because 17 is greater than 8 and even it is greater than 16 also. So that's why we got answer 24. So in this way, this formula is going to help us a lot in solving this problem. So now let us get into the problem. You can see these are the dates and these are their respective months. So here I am going to use this same formula, ceiling. Okay, it is ceiling, not ceiling math. And now this is the significant number. And here I am going to put 3. Let me explain you why I am going to put 3. Because in a year we have 4 quarters. Each consists of 3 months. So that's why we are going to check how many quarters and which particular date belongs to which particular quarter. So first of all, so you get the answer 3. If you drag it down with the filler handle, it is going to provide you the answers for all others. Now, this is the first part of problem which we have solved. Now, let us move forward. Now, let me divide it with 3. So that it will provide me the correct answer, the correct quarter number. So you can see guys, it is the first quarter. This date is present in the first quarter, and similarly if I drag it down again, you can see we got all the quarters, all the respective quarters of the dates. And if you want to elaborate this more, you can do it with F2 and you can concatenate it with quarter. So double commas, double inverted commas, put some space and then write quarter, Q-U-A-R-T-E-R, close it and there you go. You can put control down. So you can see the respective quarter for the respective dates, 1, 2, 3 and 4, all that. In this way, you can know the quarter number of a particular date using this simple formula which I have explained. I hope you understood the concept of this video, guys. If you are new to this channel, please feel to like, share and subscribe my channel and appreciate me with a thumbs up. Thank you.